like this. Hey everybody, it's Mike here, coming from world famous Courtenay Mazda. Great place to be, especially on a day like today. This is a little video for all you great people out there, all you wonderful people. You know who you are. This is a video about the 2022 GMC Terrain. Super low mileage, very nice condition. I love the paint on this thing. That blue paint is amazing. Check out the condition on this thing. Thank you very much to the previous owners for looking after this so well. Got a nice set of all-season tires on there. Looks like some hand cooks. Tons of life left on those tires. You got a four-wheel disc brake system. You got some rails up top. You got a little button on the door to get in and out of the vehicle. It's got a great set of rear view mirrors there. Up front, underneath the hood, is a little four-cylinder engine with 170 horsepower, 190 foot-pounds of torque. Check out that front grille. It looks really nice. Those headlights are nice and clear. This vehicle's only got about 27,000 clicks on it, so tons of life left on it. Thank you very much again to the previous owners. Very well looked after, in excellent condition. I love that blue sparkly paint. Check out that paint. It's awesome. Okay, along the passenger side, no bad damage, no really bad scratches or anything like that. Coming up on the back here, this is the SLE trim. Come check out the back end of this thing. Also nice big taillight lenses. You got to be blind to run in the back of one of those things. This button on the door also locks or unlocks the car. Inside here, we've got a nice cloth upholstery, rubber mats for your feet. You got cup holders, big armrest, air conditioning, dual zone climate control, heated seats. Check out that side airbags that come out of the ceiling. You got more airbags out of the seat. This thing's very safe. Keep you and your friends and your family very safe in the vehicle. Everybody wants to know what it's like in the back seat. Let me show you what that's all about. Getting in and out, nice ride height to get in and out of. Nice big windows for your for you to see out of, for the driver to see out of. Check out the front dash again. Really nice condition. All right, let's go check out the back end of this thing, the hatch. That's where you can put all your stuff. Back here, tons and tons of space. It's got a 60/40 rear split folding seat, a bit more storage underneath here. Very clean, doesn't have any bad smells or odors, doesn't smell like there was a dog in here or any smokers or anything like that. So really nice and clean, not smelly. Closing up that hatch again. Privacy glass on the back window, rails up top. You can just kind of add the crossbars. I'm going to get behind the steering wheel now and tell a little bit more about what that's like. It's my favorite place to be. So, getting in and out of the vehicle, nice ride height to get in and out of. Air conditioning is pumping nice and cold. I got a power seat, up and down, forward and back, reclined. On the door here, I've got locks, windows, mirrors. I got a spot here for automatic headlights. There's your parking brake. I got cruise control on this side. I got more stereo controls and Bluetooth over here. It's only got 27,663 kilometers on it. There's your infotainment system. If I put it into reverse, there's your backup camera, and that's your transmission selection right there. Park, reverse, neutral drive. You can even shift gears down there if you want. It does connect to all your phone for Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. You get your Google Maps on there, dual zone climate control, cup holders, lots of plug-ins. Oh, and one more thing down here. We got more driving modes and stuff like that. So a lot of options here. Very cool little car. Really nice condition. Last thing I'm going to do is check out the stereo system in here, see how that sounds. Hopefully something good's on. That stereo system rocks! So if you or somebody you know is in the market for a cool little SUV, something that's nearly new with very low mileage and excellent condition, this might be the one for you. Please give me a call, 250-338-5777. Email me, Mike@CourtenayMazda.com. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day.